Good evening, everyone. And first of all, I'd like to thank Rahul personally for being associated, supporting, and I would like to say being a role model for budding sportsmen and sportsmen around the world. One of my favoriteest people in the world for his grace, for his resilience, for his dedication, for his hard work, and just being so quiet through all of this. So, my hero. So thank you very much for being on the same dais. I thank the BCCI, of course, and I thank the Association of Indian Universities. I thank the HRD Ministry, of course, and everyone who's associated with this, NDTV, even Star, all of you coming here tonight to help us create a platform which we all truly believe in this whole team that is trying to set up the University Cricket Championship is perhaps one of the nicest platforms that we can provide for budding sportsmen, not just cricket, starting with cricket, but also, being able to explain to people what sports can do and what sports can do for them at the grassroots levels. So thank you, everyone. Inshallah, it will be a big success. And here's wishing all the 8 teams, here's wishing all the 128 players, here's wishing all the lakhs and lakhs of budding sportsmen around the country that participate, some of them on the field, some off it, some of them hoping to become a sportsman like the great Wall here. And we wish them all the best and hope this goes on forward, not only by our association, by associations other than us who take other sports also to this level. And thank you all of you for being here tonight. Thank you.
Rahul, how do you think this initiative would help university and college students as well as cricket at the grassroots?
Well, I think firstly it's really nice to be here. It's lovely to be here and to be associated in this particular event. It's also nice to have someone like Shah Rukh here, and like to thank him for the kind words, but also to recognize, I think, his support for sport in this country, not only at the elite level, but also at a grassroots and university level. And I think these things make a huge difference. Also, I think university cricket, and especially the Rohinton Baria at one time was, one of the most high-profile cricket tournaments in this country. And a lot of cricketers actually came and played for India from their performances in university cricket. That over the years has died down. And I think with initiatives like this and competitions like this, there's a great opportunity to revive, cricket in the universities and give people a chance to play in the universities. I think one of the great things of reviving university sport, and for me, which is really special, is it allows children and allows young boys and girls especially the opportunity to study as well as to play sport. And I think that is really important in today's day and age. So it's a great initiative, and I hope this really kicks on and becomes something that university boys and girls really look forward to.
Thank you, Rahul. Before I open the floor, I'd like to request you once again, please restrict your questions to the University Cricket Championship. Any questions?
यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट में जिस तरह से 2020 क्रिकेट हो रहा है, आपको लगता है कि ये सही है आगे के क्रिकेट के लिए? क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी टीम को देखिए तो उससे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट को पॉपुलर बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये चीज है कि यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट पॉपुलर हो, लड़के खेलें. हमने देखा है इन द लास्ट 20 years यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट थोड़ी मर गई है, डेड हो गई है. तो उसको रिवाइव करने के लिए अगर 2020 की जरूरत है तो उसमें कोई हर्ज नहीं है. मेरे ख्याल से वो एक अच्छी बात है कि लड़कों को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा खेलने के लिए और रिवाइव होगा क्रिकेट. उससे फिर आगे जाके 3-day 4-day क्रिकेट भी आ सकता है, पर जरूर ये मानता हूं कि पहले रिवाइव करने की जरूरत है 2020 यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट को.
Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening Shah Rukh. On your right. Good evening Rahul and good evening Dheeraj also. Dheeraj, ये दोनों शाहरुख और राहुल जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आपको लगता है ये एक निहायत ही फायदेमंद चीज रहेगी लोगों को एनकरेज करने के लिए, यंगस्टर्स को?
So to have them involved, it's a great privilege for us, and I'm sure people watching will really get enthused by this.
शाहरुख, नए युवाओं लोगों को एनकरेज करना, हमेशा ही आप इस चीज में आगे रहे. इस बार क्या सोचते हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में, कितने फायदेमंद रहेगा ये?
आई थिंक कोई भी इनिशिएटिव जो स्पोर्ट्स के लिए लिया जाए, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, और किसी भी तरह से राहुल जैसे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं या मेरे जैसे जो एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हैं, अगर हमारी उससे जुड़ने से इस चीज़ का और प्रचार हो सके, वो बढ़ सके, पॉपुलर हो सके, तो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। बिकॉज कोई भी जो यंगस्टर्स के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया जाएगा आज की दुनिया में, उसके अंदर हमें किसी ना किसी तरीके से स्पॉन्सर्स की जरूरत होगी, जगहों की जरूरत होगी, मीडिया की जरूरत होगी। तो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी क्रिएट एन ऑल्टरनेट प्रोफेशन फॉर यंगस्टर्स इन दिस कंट्री, एंड आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स इज परहैप्स द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रोफेशन दैट इज वांटिंग इन अ कंट्री। तो हमारी उम्मीद यही है कि इससे और भी लोग प्रेरित होंगे और ऐसे और भी टूर्नामेंट, ऐसे और भी चैंपियनशिप क्रिएट होंगे हर स्पोर्ट के लिए, और ये शुरुआत है। होपफुली ये खुद जो है नीरज और एनडीटीवी और जितनी भी सारी टीम है इनकी, उसकी वजह से बढ़ेगा और यंगस्टर्स तक पहुंचेगा। दे विल फील, आई थिंक, जस्ट एज अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल, आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली थ्रिलिंग। व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, I came third in a 2-mile run in National Stadium in Delhi. तो एक छोटा सा स्निपेट है कि मैं थर्ड आया था, तो स्निपेट आज तक मैंने बचा कर रखा हुआ है। सो आई थिंक फॉर दीज यंगस्टर्स टू वॉच देमसेल्व्स ऑन टेलीविजन इन हाई स्पीड इन फ्रंट ऑफ नॉट ओनली एन ऑडियंस बट द पेरेंट्स will convince the parents to allow their children to play sports more, and I think it will just make the excitement factor and wanting factor of being a sports person more in this country.
शाहरुख, आप अलग अलग खेलों में विश्वास रखते हैं, देखा भी है, सुना भी है कि आप फुटबॉल में भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, हॉकी में भी, तो आप स्पोर्ट्स में भी अपने समय में ऑलराउंडर थे?
अभी क्या है, ऐसा सवाल तुम राहुल के सामने पूछोगे ना तो बड़ी शर्म आती है। मैं ठीक ठाक गली क्रिकेट खेल लेता था मैं बस।
और फिल्मों में राहुल, इन्होंने तो बोला कि आप इनके हीरो हैं। शाहरुख के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मतलब
पता नहीं, मैं हर पिक्चर में क्या नाम होता है, राहुल नाम तो सुना होगा। Why? That's why.
फिर भी राहुल को, आप खुद राहुल हैं और राहुल को पर्दे पे राहुल देखना कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा तो जरूर लगता है, एंड बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली it was nice to know that Shah Rukh ran 2 miles when he was in school. I never ran 2 miles. I couldn't have finished 2 miles. So that's. But like I said earlier, I think it's great that someone like him's come forward and supported sport. It's given it a profile that's that's really important, and it's nice to see. It's not, like I said earlier, it's not just at an elite level, not at an IPL level where obviously it's easy to get involved in, but it's nice to see that someone like him is willing to come down and support university sport and junior sport and other sports as well, which I think makes a big difference in this country. It is about stars and people, and it's a genuine interest, which is really nice to see.
Shah Rukh, you've been associated with cricket for a while now. Shah Rukh, here this side. There is CCL also, where we have Bollywood players playing cricket. Do we also see Shah Rukh Khan playing cricket ever?
You know what, I'd be really honest. I am someone who really believes professionalizing sports in this country is perhaps the most important aspect, if I can in any which way be attached to it. Apart from professionalizing sports, I think it's very important that we look at grassroots levels and create sports people in our country, men and women. And if my association in any terms, whether it's an IPL, like Rahul says, yeah, that was very elite, it's a business proposition. Apart from that, when it began, as Neeraj would tell you, it was something that people didn't believe will take off. But it's an exciting format. I'm happy that I'm associated with it. I'm happy I'm associated with this. I don't know, I personally won't get time to play cricket. I don't. And so I don't think I'll be attached to anything else. But any other sport, yeah. But if it requires me, I think they have so many stars already in CCL, they won't need a smaller star like me anymore.
शाहरुख बहुत जैसे आज ही शुरू होने वाला है यूनिवर्सिटी, शाहरुख इधर बहुत जल्द आज से शुरू होने वाला है यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट चैंपियनशिप जो लड़कों के लिए, आपको नहीं लगता कि बहुत जल्द ऐसा कुछ लड़कियों के लिए भी होना चाहिए, जो एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाए उन्हें आगे बढ़ने के लिए, यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट चैंपियनशिप लड़कियों के लिए?
या आई थिंक सिर्फ क्रिकेट का ही नहीं, हॉकी का भी होना चाहिए, फुटबॉल का होना चाहिए, एथलेटिक्स का होना चाहिए. एंड हमको जब शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है तो किसी तरह से शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है. तो ये शुरुआत है जो अभी लड़कों की यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट से शुरू हुई है. लेकिन यू हैव टू बिगिन समवेयर. आई थिंक इट्स अ बिगिनिंग एंड स्लोली आई थिंक इट विल स्प्रेड टू मोर प्लेसेस विद मोर पीपल बैकिंग इट. एंड स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू आस्क मी, देयर इज नथिंग बेटर अ कॉम्बिनेशन देन स्पोर्ट्स एंड वुमेन. So I would really love it if it went across and women participated in it. और जरूर होगा ऐसा. अभी शुरुआत है और हमारे यहाँ पे भी 1-2 साल हो जाएं इसको. once they set it up, things become smooth, आराम से रवा हो जाए, तो उसके बाद I'm sure लड़कियों के लिए भी ऐसा होना चाहिए. बहुत जरूरी है, पहले उनके लिए होना चाहिए. मैं तो क्या कहते हैं सपोर्ट करने और ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने ही इसलिए आया था, इसी प्रॉमिस पे, तो जल्दी से ये लोग उसको पूरा करेंगे, आई एम श्योर।
शाहरुख भारत देश की अगर बात करें तो भारत देश में दो चीज से लोगों को काफी लगाव होता है, एक फिल्में और दूसरा क्रिकेट। काफी लोग इमोशनली अटैच रहते हैं और आप दोनों ही, आप फिल्मों के दिग्गज हैं और आप क्रिकेट के दिग्गज हैं। तो शाहरुख ने एक टीम ओन की है जो कि वर्ल्ड चैंपियन है, मतलब चैंपियन रह चुकी। तो आप कभी, आपका दिल करता है कभी फिल्मों में कभी एंट्री करने का, या कभी ऐसा कभी दिल किया हो?
मेरा मुंह देख के आपको लगता है कि फिल्म अपनी रियलिटी अपने औकात पे रहना चाहिए यार।
तो आप शाहरुख बोल चुके हैं, आप उनके हीरो हैं, तो आपको कभी दिल करता है कि शाहरुख के लिए कभी पर्दे पे कुछ आप करें?
नहीं, मेरे को पता है यार मेरी टैलेंट क्या है। क्रिकेट में थी मेरी टैलेंट, तो उसके बाहर जो कोई थोड़े मतलब एंडोर्समेंट्स भी किए हैं, उसमें बहुत मुश्किल है यार। ये एक्टिंग हमसे तो नहीं जमेगा।
Right, Rahul and Shahrukh, this question is directed to both of you. This is out here. You both have played a number of games, but Rahul, I want to talk to you about this. You played for Bangalore University. Shahrukh, you played for Jamia. Who are you going to be supporting in the Toyota University Cricket Championship?
Isn't it an obvious? So well, apart from supporting good cricket, which is I think that's the most important thing. But yeah, I think some of the boys at the JN University, I think it's the Bangalore team, actually play the Ranji Trophy, play for Karnataka, and I've had a little bit to do with them. I know some of the boys personally as well in that team, so I'll be supporting them all the way, and I hope they can go on to win this competition.
Rahul here.
I would never question what Rahul feels about cricket and cricketing, but I can assure him, because of my alma mater, that I am fully supporting Jamia and all the teams from Delhi. And अभी ठीक है, हम अच्छाई में बैठे हैं, फील्ड पर देख लेंगे।
Rahul here.
Can we have the last question, please?
Rahul.
अभी कुछ दिन पहले यहाँ पर एनआई ट्रॉफी चल रहा था और इंडिया के टॉप प्लेयर खेल रहे थे, बिल्कुल कोई नहीं दिख रहा था। दोनों से सवाल है, क्या 2020 क्रिकेट को ज्यादा बढ़ावा मिलने लगा? क्योंकि आज मैंने देखा यार लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है, और यहीं पर बगल में वानखेड़े में कुछ दिन पहले एनआई ट्रॉफी और रणजी मैचेस चल रहे थे 5 दिवस, वो देखने के लिए कोई नहीं, लेकिन 2020 का अट्रैक्शन कुछ ज्यादा है, या कुछ आप लोग के आने से इसमें कुछ चांस रहता है?
नहीं, देखिए ऐसी it's a really good combination. I think obviously 2020 cricket's it's easy to come and watch in the evenings. It's it's just 3 hours. It's time away from, you don't have to come and spend the whole day. So obviously that makes a big difference. I think people still follow and follow Test cricket and support it in their own way. They might not be able to come to the ground. I think this has a unique charm, the fact that it's university cricket. I think there'll be so many boys and girls from all these universities wanting to come and support their teams and their fellow classmates and students who are playing for their universities. So I think that in itself is a own charm. It feels like you're supporting, in IPL you're supporting your particular home team. So in the same way you support your home university here, and I hope that a lot of the young boys and girls in a lot of these universities come in different places, whether it's Bangalore or Gwalior or Bombay or Delhi for that matter, and support this format.
Rahul,
I'll just answer, because you keep asking this. I'd really like to say this with all the gentleness and goodness that I have. It's like comparing classical music to jazz, to blues, to Hindi film music, popular music. I think each quality of music is extremely important. We understand Test cricket is one of the classic, oldest and the finest forms of cricket. There's no denying that. And there's no denying the fact that people who love cricket or love the sports will always keep watching that. One day is also a new format. It also met with that kind of resistance in the beginning. But I think each format has its own quality. Somewhere down the line, the time frames given, as Rahul said, the fact that life has become a lot more about televisions and media and exposure, I think all this lends itself to a format like T20. We should not look down upon it. We should not take, this kind of an argument that will take away from the classic cricket. It's a choice. The more choices have, it's better for the people, the audience who watches it, in entertainment, I think in sports, in every sphere of life. So I think if it requires people like from the film industry, like me, to come down and be a brand ambassador, obviously sports people from related sports is very important. If Rahul is here, we do it so that a lot of people watch it. We want to popularize it. There is no other personal agenda for this. And I think we should look at it that way. This is one format. Yes, there's one day, and Test cricket is, absolutely fantastic. And I think all forms of cricket will become better, or all forms of sports, if you have an audience for it.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We're done for the evening. We need Shah Rukh on center stage now. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.